I'd like to show you one of my favorite inventions and one of the most important ones that is still being used all over the country, perhaps mostly all over the world, to this very day. And most people don't know I invented it. So here it is. This is one of Mr. Bell's telephones. And here's what I invented. Hello? That was my invention. I invented hello. Up to that time, people were saying all sorts of things into the telephone. Mr. Bell was particular to ahoy, ahoy. Other people would pick it up and say, are you there? Or is anybody there? Or who's calling? And then I did what came naturally to me, and it caught on, and pretty soon everybody was using my invention, hello.